Some drivers can very quickly turn a small ticket into a major arrest.
Okay, you're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't get out of here.
What am I being arrested
You're
for?
under arrest for resisting.
Like this woman who didn't want to ID because she knew the law.
I will not hand you my license. I am not required to. I know what the law is.
Okay.
And this fake actor who wanted to use cancer to escape arrest after running someone over.
I have cancer, so
Okay. Just go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
am I in trouble?
Yeah. You and this young man are going to have a conversation.
I can't be in any trouble.
And we'll start when this woman was routinely stopped for rolling through a stop sign.
Hi, how can I help you?
How's it going? Deputy Penske, the sheriff's office. I'm just stopping you for the stop sign there at Walnut. You just kind of rolled straight through it, okay? I don't want nobody to get hit. People ride bikes and stuff through here, okay?
I rolled through the stop sign?
Yeah, like pretty blatantly.
Okay, I don't recall doing that at all.
That's fine. I watched you do it. You have your license, registration, and insurance?
Yeah, I do. I'll show you my license. I don't ever let anyone hold it.
Well, I need it, so...
I'm required to show it to you.
Okay, I need it so I can go run your information.
There's my information,
Okay,
right?
Give me your driver's... I'm not doing this.
Sir,
Ma'am,
I'm
listen,
not
listen
required
to me. Listen
to
to me. Listen to me.
No, sir. I am not required to
Say it.
give it.
If you're pulled over on a lawful traffic stop, you're required to present your ID. That means you give it to the officer when he asks for it. And even if she actually believes that she doesn't have to, there's no reason not to, except that she wants to be difficult.
Talk to me.
She's refusing to give me her ID, so she doesn't have to give it to me. Yeah, so we'll see how this goes.
You want me to talk to her?
Nah, I mean, you try. She's just, I don't know why she
That's
didn't.
fine. I mean, he can look at the information, but
Can you hand me your
no,
your
sir.
documents,
I don't. Here's my license. Here's my.
Can you hand me your license
I will
as well?
not hand you my license. I am not required to
Okay,
hand
so-
you in your hand
Okay, so
my license.
listen, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen is I'm going to call for a supervisor and he's going to tell you that you're going to give me your license. Got it?
No, sir.
And
I
so
won't.
for the time being, because
With
listen
all
to me.
due respect,
listen
sir.
to me. Listen to me.
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
sir.
All right,
No,
step out.
sir.
Step out, please.
No,
Yes,
sir.
step out.
Excuse me.
Step out, please.
No, sir.
Yes, you are uncooperative. I would like you to exit your
For a
vehicle.
second, please.
Yes, I don't want
Ma'am.
to talk to you.
Okay.
I'll speak to him.
This is my
okay?
traffic stop.
I don't
need you-
care. You don't.
I need you to step out. Yes.
You'll just have to wait a second.
No, I
Okay?
don't. It's not on your timing. It's on mine.
No, it's not,
There's-
sir.
An officer can order you to exit your car at any time during a traffic stop, and you must comply.
United States case law, Pennsylvania versus Mims.
I don't care
Listen,
what that
okay,
is.
you're going to go to jail for resisting if you don't get out of your car.
What am I under arrest for?
314. Can you have a supervisor now?
What am I under
So
arrest for?
just hear me out for a second.
I am.
He's asked you to step out of the vehicle. Whether you agree with it or not, that's a lawful command, okay? So, just
What?
if you step out and comply, we can, wrap this up. It probably would even been a warning. He probably wouldn't even give you whatever he pulled you over
Okay.
for.
This is. Can I say something?
Of course, go ahead. I'll hear you
He
out.
asked for my driver's license. I showed it to him. I know for a fact that I'm not required by law to give it to him in his hand.
So, where's your driver's license currently?
My driver's license is right here.
Okay.
That's my driver's license. I showed it to him.
Okay.
Because I'm driving a motor vehicle, I'm required to show you my license if you ask for it.
Do you mind if I get that?
But I don't have to give it to you. I don't ever hand anybody original documents in their hand.
Okay. Do you mind if I get your license so I can run you?
There it is right there. I'll show it to you. There's my license right there. There's my name right there. I'll show it to you, but I don't ever hand it over. I've lost licenses that way,
Okay.
and I don't do
As
that
soon as you hand it
anymore.
over, I'll give it right back, okay?
Sir, I don't hand.
It's probably just going to be a warning and we'll get you out of here, but you're making this
I'm
more
just
difficult.
saying, I don't hand.
What does she think is going to happen? Is the officer going to drive away with her license? I will admit that never happened in my years as an officer.
At this point, I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle, okay?
Okay, and I will.
So go ahead and step out
But-
right now at this moment. Because
Okay, but you do
I've
not-
tried the nice approach
You
and now
don't
you're
have
not listening.
permission to touch anything in my vehicle.
Okay. So
You
go ahead
don't
and step
have
out or I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle at this point.
Okay.
But you don't have permission to touch anything in my vehicle. Nothing.
When my supervisor gets here, I'll be getting your driver's license.
No, you won't, sir. It's in my
I'm
vehicle.
going to ask you
You
to stand
don't.
right there on the hood of that vehicle, okay?
Keep in mind that she was pulled over for rolling through a stop sign. That gets you a simple verbal warning or maybe a ticket at the worst case, but she somehow extended it to this.
You don't have permission.
Do you have any weapons on your person?
No, I don't.
What?
No, I do not. You don't have permission to touch anything in my vehicle.
Is that your car?
Yes, it is.
So, I just want to start fresh here. I feel like we got off on the back foot. What's your reasoning for not wanting to give your
I
license?
never hand over original documents to anybody. I carry copy. I don't have the copies with me, but I have paper copies of things that I'll show you, but I will not hand.
Is there a reason?
Yes, because I've lost things that way before.
Okay. You lost them, though, not us, right?
I have lost original documents by handing them over before. I will not do that
So what's
again.
that in his hand right there? Those not original documents?
No, those are papers. I can get more of those. I have more of those.
But they're original documents.
They're copies.
The DMV didn't personally hand you that piece of paper and say, this is your registration.
Yeah, I think
for your
that,
vehicle.
and that's fine. I can get another one of those, but government issued things
You can
like
also
cards.
get another license.
No,
if
I
it
won't
came
do
down
it.
to it.
No, sir.
That tells you her rule has nothing to do with the document getting lost. She just wants to be difficult and get some control over the stop.
I know for a fact I'm not required to hand an officer my driver's license. I have to show it to you.
Do you read case law?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you know the case law for this?
I don't know it off the top of my head, but I can find it quickly.
Okay.
I'm just saying, I know what my rights are.
100%.
I know I don't.
Yeah, I know your
He
rights
asked
too. I'm certified in the
Good.
state of Florida as an
That's
LEO
great.
officer. I know rights. I know case law. I know everything.
That's excellent, because right now
So I just don't understand.
he's violating my rights right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Explain to me how.
He's saying, first of all, he lied to me, saying that I have to hand my license over. No, I don't. I don't have to give it to him in his hand. He wants to get
I didn't
mad
ask for your
that
opinion. I asked how your rights are being violated.
I just told you it's not an opinion. It's a fact. But it's okay.
Okay.
Does it take that long to run a tag, to run my name? Because that's all he's doing in there. I don't know what else we're waiting for here. I need to be on my way.
Can you turn around and place your hands behind your back, please?
What am I being arrested
You're under
for?
arrest for resisting.
Resisting.
Here we
What-
go.
What am I charged with?
Resisting, ma'am.
Obstruction of law
enforcement. Yes, ma'am.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
If you fail to provide ID in a traffic stop, you can be arrested for resisting, obstructing, or failure to provide ID. I hope keeping her original document is worth a trip to jail, because that's where she's gonna go.
So what's my original charge?
I just
'Cause
told you, resisting, obstruction.
If I'm resisting, then I have to be charged with, I have to be arrested for something, and I was resisting.
I don't know who educated you, but that is not even close to correct. Do you have anything on you, any weapons or anything like that?
No.
Okay. We're going to tow your vehicle.
How was I resisting?
I gave you multiple lawful commands to exit your vehicle.
And I did.
But can I finish a sentence ever?
Go ahead.
I gave you multiple lawful commands to provide me your driver's license and exit your vehicle, in which you told me no numerous times.
I said no to my driver's license. I exited the
You can explain
vehicle.
the report. I tried to make that over.
Would you like to take with you, ma'am?
Yes.
Where are those belongings?
I'd like to roll up the window to my vehicle.
We're towing it, so we're going to be doing an inventory search to make sure there's nothing valuable inside before the tow truck driver gets here.
Okay, well they cannot search my
Okay.
vehicle without my
Listen,
permission.
we don't need your permission because we're towing it and you are placed. Can I speak? Because you are under arrest and we are towing your vehicle, per our policy, we are required to conduct an inventory search of your vehicle to make sure there's nothing of value in there that the tow truck or wherever can ultimately become missing or stolen later. That's why we are required to do an inventory search. So,
Would you like any belongings to take to the jail? That's going to be the last time I ask. I'm trying to be nice.
you want your phone, your wallet?
She didn't want the officers in her car or touching her original documents. Now the officers will do both and take her to jail. I gotta admit, that's poetic justice. And by the way, if you enjoy reaction videos like this, please like and subscribe to get more.
Yeah, I'll take my whole purse. Actually, you know what? Who's gonna do the search of my vehicle? Excuse me, officer. Excuse me, officer. Get out of my vehicle, please. Excuse me, officer. Get out of my vehicle, please.
All right, so you're going to get your purse and your phone.
Actually leave it in my vehicle. Put my stuff back. You don't have permission to go in my vehicle.
She doesn't want to take it.
Put my stuff back.
Okay. Do you have anything on you at all? It doesn't look like you have pockets.
I'm not going to even answer that question again. I've already answered it.
I'm going to just let you know. If they find anything on your person,
I already know that. I know that. Okay.
Listen real quick. I'm going to pat you down with the back of my hand to prevent any type of groping or anything like that, okay?
There's supposed to be a female officer here.
We do not have one anywhere near here. So that's why I am going to pat you with the back of my hand to make sure you have nothing on you sharp. That's all it is. I'm not going into you. Clearly don't have pockets.
You guys are really crooked and corrupt.
No, it's knowledgeable.
No.
It's okay. It's okay to not have knowledge in a certain area. That's why we try to educate.
You know nothing about me.
You're right.
Nothing at all.
You know everything. Go ahead and hop in.
Yeah, he needs to get out of my vehicle. He's doing an illegal search of my vehicle.
He's doing an inventory search.
No.
So when the tow truck comes,
you want to grab that so they don't break?
They need to get out of my vehicle. I have said on your body cam multiple times,
your face so I can grab your
they
glasses?
do not have permission to get in my vehicle.
All right, well, you're going to the Green Roof Inn instead.
I don't.
Unsurprisingly, this wasn't her first time getting arrested, and she spent 4 hours in jail before paying a $500 release bond. All of this because she drove through a stop sign. But the next woman ran someone over and then faked having cancer to escape arrest.
I have cancer, so
Okay. Just go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Oh, am I in trouble?
Yeah. You and this young man are going to have a conversation.
I'm in trouble.
It starts when officers located a woman who was accused of running over her ex-husband's daughter with her car.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Let me grab a shirt here.
Okay, she's shirtless?
I have cancer, so I get sick a lot.
Yeah.
So I came over to see if I could get my mail because my Social Security check card is supposed to be coming. And I pull up and she walks up to the car saying, "Why am I here?" I say, "Actually, I just would like to get my mail." And she just starts ranting and raving, so I go to pull up.
Put your shirt back.
Sorry. So I go to pull back in reverse and she gets behind the car and saying that she's not going to let me leave.
Okay.
I'm a non-confrontational person. I cannot afford to be upset like that.
Yeah.
So...
Can you step out for me?
Yeah. So she,
Just go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Oh, am I in trouble?
Yeah.
What did I do?
Yeah. So...
Please, what did I do?
Woman, maybe it's because you hit someone and then drove off. I think the cancer and taking her shirt off might just be an act for sympathy. But you tell me.
What did I do, sir? I didn't do anything. What did I do, sir?
Okay.
Could you please tell me what I did?
Listen.
I didn't even get out the car. Sir, I didn't even get out the car.
I understand that, and I'll explain things to you in a second, but I need to read you your Miranda rights first, okay? All right. We're going to step back to my car, okay?
Sir, I didn't even get out of the car.
You step right by this front wheel for me.
Yes.
Was Ashley hurt at all?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. All right. Face the car for me. Face the car for me.
Okay, let's zoom in. Let's look close. If you notice, there's no single teardrop in her eye. So the crying is also an act.
What did she say that I do? I didn't touch her. She hit the back of my window as I was pulling out. I didn't touch her.
All right. I think there's multiple things, but we'll get it figured out for you.
I didn't touch her. I'm not a confrontational person. I take anxiety medicine.
I will, Bobby, listen. I will explain it to you all, but I need to read.
Because I didn't do anything to her.
Okay. You and this young man are going to have a
I can't be in any trouble. I just wanted my Social Security check.
I understand.
Please, I don't want to be in any trouble. I don't get in any trouble.
Okay.
I promise I didn't touch her.
I've been doing this for 2 days. 2 days. And she just ran my niece over with the car.
I was coming over there. Is your niece okay? Does she need to?
I don't know. I haven't been over there yet. I just left work. I'm so fucking pissed
Why don't
right
you meet me
now.
over there?
I guess that's her ex-husband's brother?
Okay. And listen, we're going to look into that, okay?
Yes, sir.
We're going to look into that.
I just wanted my check and then I left when she started hitting the back of my car.
We'll look into that, see what happened. Okay.
1437.
Right. But right now, Let me read you your Miranda rights, okay? Before I talk to you any further, all right?
What I assume is that she tried to enter the home to get her social security check, as she claimed, but her ex-husband's daughter didn't let her. So she hit her with the car and then drove off? What in the world?
Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to me?
I'm the one that called the police, put up here and called the police. She hit my car with whatever she had in her hand.
Okay.
From the back. I didn't touch her.
All right.
I didn't go backwards in my car. I came straight up here, officer. I promise you I did.
So you came to get your social security check?
Yes.
And then what happened?
She just started going off. And I said, okay, Ashley, that's fine. And I started going in to reverse, and she jumped into the back of my car.
Were you parked in the street or were you parked in the drive?
I pulled up right behind her. Her car is in the driveway. I pulled up right behind her.
Okay.
I know everybody's heated. I understand. I get it. But let us. I appreciate you trying to calm people down.
Hi.
Hi.
It's my hand and my elbow. I just kind of went over. She has it on her video. It's just like the front of the wheel. I kind of went over and rolled in the road a little, but she ran me over with her f***ing car.
Okay.
Hello?
Wow.
Yeah, I'm okay. It's just
Wow.
Do you want the paramedics for your hand or what?
I think I'll be okay. If I need to go to the hospital, I'll go. I think it's just a small cut.
Did you hit your head or anything?
No, I
Something like that?
kept my head up. Yeah, I just kind of rolled off. It's more like my elbow right here. I can feel, but she didn't hit me hard. She wasn't trying to she was definitely trying to hurt me, but I don't think she was trying to.
Okay.
She tried to get out of the car and attack me. She had a knife on her. She has a knife in that car. She tried to get out of the car and I slammed the door shut. It was my mom.
Where did she put the knife?
I didn't see it. Yeah, when she was getting out of the car, she said, "You stupid." And she was coming out of the car with that knife. She was trying to hurt me.
You don't have a knife on you, right?
No.
Where is it at in your car?
All right, copy. Are you going to be
on the back seat on a lanyard.
Okay.
But I never touched it.
I'm gonna have to go to.
Or touch it.
You just ran her over?
No, I didn't touch her with my car. She was in the back of my car. She stood in the back of my car and she wouldn't move.
Okay.
I did not put my car into reverse. She got to the side of my vehicle when I seen her, and that's when I put it, I let off the brake.
Okay.
And I was going slow, but as I was center in the street, I was going to put it in drive, and right when I put it into drive, that's when she hit the back of my window.
Okay.
And I just came up here and called the police. I didn't hit her. I didn't even get out of my car.
Okay.
Well, that's not very believable because she's injured.
This has been going for 2 days over here, right?
Yeah, I just got back in
busted
town. She
windows out
broke
of
in
my
my house. I just
father-in-law's
left
house
the
and
police
shit.
station.
Okay.
From
So
this.
you were down there with my partner signing the charges.
Signing
for
the charges. I just
burglary.
got home. Maintenance just pulled out. I was outside sitting in my car, and she pulled up and tried to come get in my mailbox. I said, "What are you doing here? You can't be here. You're not allowed here." So I just pressed charges on you. So I'm calling the cops because you have my stuff in that car. So I went to stand behind her car, and she said, "I'm going to run you over. I'm going to run you over." Then she kept trying to get out again with her thing. So I shut the door and I ran to the back, and so I called 911. I said, "She's here right now. She's trying to run me over. She has my stuff in her car." Well, she knew I was on the phone with the cops, and that's when she tried to gun it. So I went to smack the window. It smashed out, and that's how I cut my hand. And then she got in the road, and the neighbors both came out. That neighbor right there and that neighbor came out and helped me. Okay. And then when she was in front of me, I was hitting her hood, telling her to stop. The cops were pulling up, and she just took off. Okay. And I was hanging, I was in front of the car, so it was pushing me real fast. I was going to the side, and I rolled off.
Okay. So with this explanation, the woman technically didn't try to hit her. She was only trying to drive off, and the lady was in her way, doggone it. But she did hit her still, and her denial and fake acting just makes her look more guilty.
And who is?
That's my dad's ex-wife.
It's your dad's ex-wife. Okay.
Yeah.
All of his stuff is in that car. When you...
All of our stuff. Yeah, she has his wallet, his phone. She stole all of our
stuff. If
stuff.
I could get that, it would be awesome.
So when she moved to the side of your car, then you put it in reverse?
Yes.
And then at some point you put it in drive?
Yes.
And then
she just hit the back of my window.
Then she hit the back of your car?
Yeah.
What'd she hit your window with?
I didn't see what she had in her hand.
Okay. So listen, you also have a warrant out for what happened last night.
Okay.
Well, the early morning yesterday, like 1:30 in the morning.
What happened?
I'm guessing that was when she broke into the home. and stole the items the family just complained about?
You tell me. I mean, that's what I'd really like to know. I mean,
I haven't been over here. I haven't started anything. This is the first time that I've been over here, and it was to get my check.
there's video of you at Ashley's house at like 1:30 in the morning.
That was not me.
Who was it?
I don't know. But I don't, that was not me. I don't do stuff like that.
Do stuff like what?
Like going to people's houses or anything like that.
She went to my house and smashed my truck's windshield. I got it on footage.
Where was that at?
Over in Lakewood.
Video
She went to my mom's house, did like a flaming bag of shit on the back of my dad's truck bed.
Oh, okay, copy.
Did you contact Lakemore about her doing damage?
Got
all that.
Already on.
Did they sign charges on her at all? I know we just did, but I don't know.
They
if Lakemore did
are.
or not.
It was an hour ago.
Okay.
Legitimately 2 hours ago, I was in the police department.
So she's just
Crazy
yeah,
all
sounds
that
like it.
stupid fucking bitches.
Do you have some of this on the video?
I'm watching the live video. I'm recording it too because yesterday they wanted me to send it.
Yeah.
If there's video evidence, then the case is really over, and the woman's getting charged.
I don't break into, I don't steal people's stuff. I don't do stuff like that.
Okay.
I don't want to be in trouble for it either. I didn't do anything.
So, I didn't say that you went. Did I say someone went to Ashley's house?
Well, you said that somebody broke in. That she had a video of me breaking in. I didn't break in.
Okay. And you don't know who did?
No, and that's what she was saying when she was in the back of my car, that she said that she had video of me breaking in her house. I never broke into her house. I wasn't here.
Where were you at like 1:30 in the morning yesterday?
I was on the Lake Street.
On Lake Street? Mm-hmm. Anybody verify that?
The person that lives there should be able to.
Okay.
So apparently she broke into the home, stole items, and then ran over the daughter after threatening her with a knife, only to try to escape arrest with cancer and pretty horrible acting. Well, that didn't work out so well for her, since she was eventually taken to jail and charged. Listen, my name's Bart, I'm an ex-officer, and if you enjoyed this, just please like the video, subscribe to get more, and watch the next one.